This is Raz here from the band Abyssal Tides, and today is a very exciting day. So, I have been playing drums for 15 years now, and it has been a very long journey, but a journey that I won't ever forget. Starting off when I was 5, I started having drum lessons, and first drum teacher was the original drum tech for Motorhead back in the day. So I felt kind of privileged to kind of start doing what I like doing with good support, and it just carried on from there all through my school years through to college. I studied music at college for 3 years, and then I carried on from there. I was in one band, played at a festival and local kind of shows, and then more recently, kind of later last year, we formed a band elsewhere, and now I'm working alongside really good people, and we're just basically going to crack out as many shows as we can. However, that can't be done without the sticks that I chose to go for. So I went for the Collision 5BRs. The reason for this is because I do hit quite hard, so I needed sticks that were going to last. And after testing and trialing the 5BRs, they were sold. It was perfect. The reason for that also is because the weight to the hand and the extra length in the stick, you don't kind of feel like you're sitting over the kit. So you can kind of sit back, you can still relax, knowing that you've got more reach on the end to still hit every part of your kit. But yeah, I am so stoked to be using these sticks and a part of the family. And with that said, the video that you will be watching was a live take in a studio, I guess. It wasn't mic'd up or anything, but the takes that we got and the video and the live performance that we got, it was all raw footage. So yeah, with that said, the track you'll be listening to is the 9, and I hope you enjoy.
Drumsticks.